Organic gardening is about working with nature, not against it. It involves understanding the natural processes and cycles that occur in the environment and using them to our advantage. By doing so, we create a harmonious ecosystem that supports plant health and biodiversity. It's a rewarding way to grow healthy, delicious food while protecting our planet. The satisfaction of harvesting your own fresh produce, knowing it's free from harmful chemicals, is unparalleled. In this short guide, we'll explore the key principles of organic gardening. From planning your garden layout to selecting the right plants, every step is crucial for a thriving garden. We'll cover soil health, composting, natural pest control, and even touch on organic certification. Each of these elements plays a vital role in maintaining a sustainable garden. Healthy soil is the foundation of any successful garden. It's teeming with life, from earthworms to beneficial microbes, all working together to support plant growth. We'll learn how to improve soil structure and fertility using natural methods. Techniques like crop rotation, cover cropping, and adding organic matter can make a significant difference. Composting plays a crucial role, transforming kitchen scraps into valuable plant food. It's an excellent way to recycle organic waste and enrich your soil. Dealing with pests is a common concern for gardeners. However, organic gardening offers numerous strategies to manage pests without resorting to harmful chemicals. Don't worry, we'll discover effective, environmentally friendly ways to control them. Beneficial insects, organic sprays, and companion planting are just a few methods we'll explore. Finally, we'll touch upon organic certification, understanding the standards and benefits. This certification ensures that the produce meets strict organic guidelines, providing consumers with confidence in their choices. Let's embark on this exciting journey into the world of organic gardening together. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a beginner, there's always something new to learn and enjoy. Healthy soil is the bedrock of organic gardening. It is the foundation upon which all successful gardens are built. It provides essential nutrients for plant growth and supports a thriving ecosystem. Without healthy soil, plants struggle to grow and produce. Think of it as the lifeblood of your garden. Just as our bodies need a balanced diet, soil needs a variety of nutrients to stay healthy. Crop rotation is a simple yet effective technique to improve soil health. This practice has been used for centuries to maintain soil fertility. By alternating different crops each season, you prevent the depletion of specific nutrients. This method also helps in breaking the cycle of pests and diseases. For instance, follow nitrogen-fixing legumes like beans with heavy feeders like tomatoes. This ensures that the soil remains balanced and fertile. Cover crops, also known as green manure, are another fantastic way to enhance soil fertility. They play a crucial role in organic gardening. These fast-growing plants are sown in between your main crops or during the off-season. They grow quickly and provide numerous benefits to the soil. They help suppress weeds, prevent erosion, and add organic matter to the soil when incorporated. This organic matter improves soil structure and fertility. No-till farming is a technique that minimizes soil disturbance. This method is gaining popularity among organic gardeners. Instead of tilling or digging, you leave the soil largely undisturbed. This helps in maintaining the natural balance of the soil. This preserves the natural structure and beneficial organisms within the soil. Healthy soil is teeming with life, from earthworms to beneficial bacteria, all working together to support plant growth. Composting is like magic, transforming kitchen scraps and garden waste into nutrient-rich black gold for your garden. It's a cornerstone of organic gardening. Creating compost is easy. Start with a compost bin or simply designate a corner in your garden. Layer brown materials like dry leaves and twigs with green materials like vegetable scraps and grass clippings. Turn the compost pile occasionally to provide aeration and ensure it stays moist but not soggy. Within a few months, you'll have rich, crumbly compost to nourish your plants. Besides compost, other natural fertilizers include well-rotted manure, seaweed, and bone meal. These provide essential nutrients and improve soil structure. Dealing with pests is a reality of gardening, but there are plenty of natural and effective solutions to keep them in check without resorting to harmful chemicals. By using these methods, you can maintain a healthy and thriving garden ecosystem. Companion planting is a clever technique where you strategically plant different species together. This method not only helps in pest control but also maximizes space and improves soil health. Certain plants deter pests, attract beneficial insects, or improve growing conditions for their neighbors. For instance, basil can repel mosquitoes and flies while attracting pollinators like bees. For example, planting marigolds alongside tomatoes deters whiteflies. Marigolds also add a splash of color to your garden, making it visually appealing. Homemade pest sprays are a safe and effective alternative to synthetic pesticides. They are easy to make and can be tailored to target specific pests. Simple concoctions using garlic, chili pepper, or neem oil can deter a wide range of pests. These ingredients are not only effective, but also environmentally friendly. Always test on a small area first. This ensures that the spray does not harm your plants and is effective against the pests. Physical barriers like netting or row covers can protect your crops from pests like birds, cabbage white butterflies, and cutworms. These barriers are simple to install and can be reused season after season. These barriers allow light and air to pass through while keeping pests at bay. They create a microenvironment that supports plant growth while providing protection. Encouraging beneficial insects like ladybugs, lacewings, and praying mantises to your garden is a natural way to control pest populations. These insects help maintain the balance in your garden ecosystem. These insects are natural predators of many common garden pests. By fostering a habitat for them, you can reduce the need for chemical interventions and promote a healthier garden. Section 5. The organic certification process. Organic certification provides assurance that the food you grow or buy meets specific standards. While it might seem daunting, it's achievable and rewarding. The certification process involves meeting specific requirements related to soil health, pest and disease management, and the use of inputs. You'll need to keep detailed records of your practices and undergo inspections. Key practices for maintaining organic standards include using only approved fertilizers and pest control methods, avoiding genetically modified organisms, and promoting biodiversity. While certification offers numerous benefits, including consumer trust and premium prices, it's essential to weigh the costs and commitment involved. Even without certification, adopting organic practices is beneficial for your health, the environment, and your garden. Section 6. Reaping the rewards, harvesting and beyond. Harvesting the fruits of your labor is a joyous occasion for any gardener. With organic gardening, you can savor the flavor of fresh, chemical-free produce. Knowing when to harvest is crucial for optimal flavor and texture. Each crop has its signs of ripeness. Tomatoes, for instance, are best picked when they're fully colored and slightly soft to the touch. Once harvested, proper storage extends the shelf life of your produce. Store leafy greens in the refrigerator's crisper drawer, while root vegetables like potatoes and onions prefer cool, dark, and well-ventilated areas. Preserving your harvest allows you to enjoy the bounty of your garden year-round. Canning, freezing, drying, and pickling are great ways to preserve the flavors of summer. Section 7. Troubleshooting common problems. Even seasoned gardeners encounter challenges. Here are some common problems and solutions. Pests. If pests become an issue, identify them accurately before taking action. Often, natural predators or simple solutions like insecticidal soap can resolve the problem. Diseases, proper watering practices, good air circulation, and crop rotation can prevent many diseases. If disease strikes, identify it and remove affected plants immediately to prevent its spread. Nutrient deficiencies. Yellowing leaves or stunted growth can indicate nutrient deficiencies. A soil test can pinpoint the issue. Amend the soil with the appropriate organic fertilizers. Weeds. Mulching helps suppress weeds by blocking sunlight. Regular hand weeding and hoeing are also effective. Remember, a few weeds won't harm your garden and can even attract beneficial insects. Section 8. Resources for the organic gardener. Plenty of resources are available to support you on your organic gardening journey. Don't hesitate to seek guidance and information. Books and websites. Numerous books and websites offer in-depth information on organic gardening techniques, pest control, and plant care. Local gardening clubs and societies. Joining a local gardening club provides opportunities to connect with fellow gardeners, share experiences, and learn from experts. Nurseries and garden centres. Many nurseries and garden centres have knowledgeable staff who can answer your questions and recommend suitable plants and products for your area. Online forums and communities. Online platforms dedicated to gardening offer a wealth of information and a space to connect with fellow enthusiasts worldwide. Section 9. Embracing the organic lifestyle. Organic gardening is more than just a set of techniques, it's a way of life. It's about connecting with nature, respecting the environment, and nurturing life. By choosing organic practices, you're making a conscious decision to protect your health, support biodiversity, and contribute to a more sustainable future. It's about creating a harmonious balance between your garden and the natural world. Start small, experiment, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. Gardening is a journey of learning and discovery. Embrace the process and enjoy the rewards of growing your own delicious and nutritious food. So go ahead, get your hands dirty, and experience the joys of organic gardening.